This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson, you will learn how to use data tables for what-if analysis in Excel. A data table is a range of cells in which you can change values in some of the cells and come up with different answers to a problem. Experimenting with different values to observe the corresponding variation in the results is a common task in data analysis. In this tutorial, it is supposed to calculate future saving value using different amounts of payments. First, I try to calculate the future saving value using every function for the given amount of payment. After that, I try to fill different amounts of payments in a column to build my data table. For this, I use series and fill options. I choose 100 for the step and 1700 for a step value in my series. On the Data tab in the Forecast group, click What If Analysis, then click Data Table. This is one variable data table, so we leave the row input cell blank and choose amount of the payment for column input cell. As you can see, your data table has been completed and you can find different future saving values based on the amount of payment. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.